Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to master eye-catching fonts and level up your Canva designs together? Click the Create button to start, then choose the Custom Size option. Enter 200 by 200 pixels for your dimensions. Once you've set the size, click Create New Design to open your new project with the specified dimensions. Next, locate the Elements tab and click it. Here, you can browse and select any available graphic or design element to use in your project as needed. Select the object you want to enlarge. Click and hold one of the corner handles, then drag outward to increase the size. You can also drag the side handles to adjust the width or height, making the object as large as you need. Click the Apps tab in your browser's sidebar. In the search bar, type Typecraft and press Enter to search. Locate the Typecraft app from the results and select it to continue. The premium app, Typecraft, is included with your Canva business plan. To use it, click on the text option in the Canva sidebar. Then, select Typecraft from the available text animation styles. This allows you to apply unique animated effects to your text, enhancing your project's visual appeal easily. You can change the font by selecting your text, opening the font menu, and choosing your preferred style. Now you can choose another color from the palette to apply it to your design, customizing your project even further. Next, you can use the Custom option within the Warp effect. Click on the Warp drop-down menu and select Custom. This allows you to manually adjust the mesh points or handles, giving you full control over the shape and transformation of your object in the Warp effect. Let's enhance our visual by adding a sun to the scene. To do this, start by selecting the Shape tool from the toolbar. Then choose the Circle Shape option. Click and drag on your canvas to create a circle where you want the sun to appear. Next, adjust the circle's size by dragging its corners until you're happy with the proportions. With the circle selected, change its fill color to a bright yellow to represent the sun. For added effect, you might also add short lines or rays around the circle using the Line tool. Position the sun in the sky area of your composition, typically in the upper corner. This is how your project should look with the sun added, bringing more life and realism to the scene. To add a new item, click the Add New button. A new entry will appear in your list. Select this new item to edit its details. To change the text, simply click inside the text field and type your desired content. Press Enter or click outside to save your changes. Repeat these steps to add or modify additional entries as needed within your project. There are many opportunities for people to engage with these types of services. You may not always have direct contact right away. Sometimes it can take multiple attempts to connect or get the information you need. For example, you might visit a service's website several times before finding the right contact details or the specific service you're looking for. Be persistent and take advantage of the various resources provided. Check for contact forms, phone numbers, or help chat options if you don't immediately get a response. Often, browsing the site's FAQ or support sections can also help you locate the correct information or point of contact. If you don't get the information on your first visit, try returning at a different time or look for events and forums where representatives may be present. Engaging regularly increases your chances of making a connection and getting the assistance you need. Keep looking until you find the right opportunity. To save your project, click the Share button in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format and quality settings, then confirm by clicking the Download button. Your project will now be saved to your computer automatically. You've just learned how to design awesome typography in Canva. Like what you saw? Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.